Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger and tonight we are in the backyard of the Disney Stranger channel studios. That's right, since we are not going to be able to get to Disney anytime soon, we have a special event going on in the backyard here tonight. We are going to open up another Walt Life Box that we just received in the mail from the Walt Life Company. And tonight we have our studio audience, Uncle Adam and Aunt Danny. And they're gonna be joining us in the background. Social distancing, of course. So let's get tonight started with the Walt Life Box. Welcome, everyone. Okay, here we go. We got the family here.
Hey!
There they are. And we're gonna start by opening this month's Walt Life Box.
So this time it's green.
Alright.
Not blue. It was blue last time.
Yes, green
Now
this time.
there's a Ferris wheel and animals on the front.
And T-Stranger had an idea as to why it has animals on it and why it's green. What do you think? What's the theme?
Animal Kingdom?
Maybe? What do you think, Dee?
I say Animal Kingdom. I mean, there's animals on it.
What do you say, Aunt Dee?
Oh, what was the question?
What is your prediction?
Yeah, all of the above.
Ah, good one.
Yeah.
This is the Magic Plus box. It's to come once a month on a subscription basis.
Okay, so before we open it, let's show Aunt Dee Stranger what we are opening. It is a Walt Life Box.
Nice.
Adventure.
Your adventure begins.
Yay! Okay, let's open it.
Let's see what we have. Woohoo!
Hey, I can't see.
Oh, let's turn it around. And it says it's all about you.
Ooh, there's confetti in it.
Okay.
Can't forget the confetti,
Yep.
Well, packaging.
because it's a
maybe.
party.
Yeah.
It's a party inside.
Woo! Well.
Daddy's favorite, a mug.
All right,
Woo.
Mommy Stranger's favorite. Hold it up for the audience to see. Okay, so we have a Mickey Mouse mug
Mhm.
and
Ooh.
oh, Tinkerbell. I love Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell magnet. And what else do we have?
We also found a chip in the mug thing. It's
Oh.
an A.
Do you remember
Last
what?
time we had a T.
Yeah, what
Yeah.
letter? Okay.
This is a Walt Life treasure coin with a T on the front.
So I think these coins you add up when you get each of these boxes every month. You add them up, and if you
Yeah.
can spell out Walt Life with the letters, then you get some sort of prize.
It's our game board for our tokens.
We can collect them right on this.
And look, these are all the prizes you get.
Collect Walt, win a Disney Tsum Tsum mini. Collect Life, win a Disney mini beanbag plush. Collect Walt Life, win an official Disney Parks item. Win a trip for two to Disney World.
Well, that's cool. Put the token on the board. See what we got here.
I think you have to like pop it out
Yeah.
here. Ah,
There.
There we go.
And it's in. Let's see. So we've got
next-
the at.
Uh-huh.
Next we have this
Oh,
keychain.
flip-flop.
Ooh, that's cute.
It's a flip flop, and on the back there's Minnie.
Oh, cool. All right, let's see what else.
Ooh, there's
Oh,
a
a
purse.
mini bag. Minnie Mouse with bows. Matches your
Nice.
outfit.
Yes.
Very cool.
Hope it's. I wish it was pink though.
Bless you.
I wish it was pink though, because then it would match more with my outfit. The
But it's
pink
cute
bow.
just the same.
And
Yes.
someday you'll be using that at the parks again.
Yep.
Yes. And here we have a magnetic postcard.
Ah, Aunt M would like that, right? Her favorite character is Cinderella.
Yes.
Very cool.
Very cool. I love it.
3D.
Yep.
And we have more confetti packaging. And in here, when you open it up,
Did you know Splash Mountain was originally going to be named the Zippity River Run? The Matterhorn's abominable snowman has a name. It's Harold.
very cool.
Wow. Now take this out. And this is where you put all your chips.
Oh, and over here we have, did you know Disneyland sells 2.8 million churros every year?
Oh, wow.
It's a lot of churros.
And
Yeah.
Disney World has 350 chefs.
Wow, that's very
Wow.
cool.
That's a lot of churros.
I don't remember having fun facts on our other box, did
No,
we?
I don't think so.
I guess it's a different box.
And then
Yeah.
you see all the people who have been opening Walt Life boxes, too. Welcome to the Walt Life family. So what is your favorite tea, stranger?
I like the Minnie Mouse purse.
Do you think you're going to take that to Magic Kingdom someday?
Definitely.
Awesome. Tea, stranger, what is your favorite?
I would have to go with the purse too.
Uh-oh, we'll have to draw straws for the purse.
But I already have a purse, so she can have it.
Oh, that's good. I like the flip-flop keychain. That's really cool. How about Aunt D, stranger? What's your favorite?
Just to let you know, when I'm allowed back in your house someday, I'm actually going to take that Mickey Mouse mug. That's what I want.
Yes. It's very cute.
Thanks again, everyone, for joining us here on this Walt Life Box unboxing. We really had a great time tonight. And guys,
Don't forget to walk forward!
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.